Mobile users are 5 times more likely to leave a site immediately if it is not mobile friendly. To ensure you don't turn any potential customers away, create a responsive location page that allows users and search engines to easily find you online. Location pages are built for optimal crawling and indexing and use schema.org markup to help Google's algorithms extract relevant information. In simple terms, location pages make it a lot easier for Google to find you. A link can be found at the end of this training video for more detailed information about why Google wants a location page from you. Before getting started on your location page, go to your business profile to ensure your company information is accurate and fill in missing information as needed. Once your profile is complete, head on over to the Hours tab. It's highly recommended that you enter business hours for your location page. Search engines will find your location page, extract the information, and then display it in local searches. Choose the Include Hours of Operation option, and then select your business hours. Once you're finished, click Save. Next, head over to the Social Links tab and add the URLs for each of the social networks you are on. These social sites will be displayed as social media icons on your business's location page to make it easier for users to discover your businesses on social media. The business profile, details, and hours of operation will be displayed on the location page. You can now begin choosing defaults for your location page. Select the Theme tab and then choose the layout you would like to use for this site. You'll notice the default is set to the location page theme. This is a recommended layout which has responsive design and is more user-friendly. But you may also choose a more basic responsive or mobile layout. To view your location page at any time, click the View Location Page button. Next, select the Branding tab to set up the overall appearance of your location page. Start by uploading your business's logo to be displayed on the location page. You can also upload a favicon and a mobile shortcut icon. The favicon will be seen in the User's Browser tab here. Ensure that you are uploading a favicon that fits the required specifications. Favicons can be created in Adobe Photoshop, or if you do not have Photoshop, you can find free resources online. Just search Favicon Generator. Now upload the image. The mobile shortcut icon appears if someone bookmarks your location page on a smartphone device. Feel free to upload an image here. Again, ensure that you follow the recommended dimensions for the mobile shortcut icon. You can upload a background image here. I suggest you use a larger image to avoid tiling, with a small resolution so that the page doesn't load slowly. The image would replace the map image on the background of the theme. The mobile background image will only be seen if you are using a mobile theme, so it is not necessary to upload here. Now, customize your primary color to add a finishing touch. This color will appear in the navigation bar for this theme. Enter a tagline for your slogan to be displayed above the logo. Once you're finished your changes, click Save. Next, head to the Domains tab. Here, you can customize the end of your URL to improve the likelihood of being found by search engines and subsequently potential customers. Just enter the words you'd like to see in the URL, such as your business and location name, and then click Save. If you would like the location page to appear on your own domain, such as www.patsys.com, please contact your salesperson and they can help you with this process. If you would like users to be forwarded to the location page when they try to access the site from a mobile device, a redirect script can be added to the source HTML file of a full website. If you do not have access to your source code, you will need to forward this code to your webmaster and have them add it for you. Once the script has been added to the source code, you can use this Verify Script Installation option in order to ensure the code was added properly. Just enter in your website address and click Verify. To add a link back to your full website, ensure the URL is added here and then click Use Full Site Link and then click Save. Now let's refresh our location page to see the changes we have made. Now we can begin adding pages to our location page, starting with the home page. You can click on the Edit button here, or if you prefer a home page with images, you could create one of those by clicking on the Images button. I would like to create a simple custom page for my home page, so I'll just use this one. First, we will want to specify our tab position for this page. As this is our home page, I would like this listed first, so I'll just leave it as is. Next, enter in the heading for this tab. The heading text will appear at the top of the page when this tab is selected. In this case, I want Patsy's Italian Restaurant to appear at the top of our page. The tab name I'll leave as Home so people know how to navigate back to this page. Many keywords were previously used by search engines to rank websites. This isn't a common practice anymore, so it is not necessary to feel this filled in. When you do a Google search, look at the two-line description below the website. That's the meta description. This is important text, as everyone reads this prior to deciding if this is the link they actually want to click on. Try and limit your meta description to 155 characters. If you are over that character amount, a series of dots will appear, cutting off the rest of your meta description. Ensure your meta description is a detailed, keyword-rich summary of that page. Each page of your site should have a unique meta description, as individual pages can be indexed separately. For the body of each page, you have two content boxes. There is a simple editor here that will allow you to stylize your text. You can also copy and paste content from an existing website to allow the same formatting as seen there. For advanced users, there is also an area to enter HTML. Once you finish entering in the content, click Save at the bottom. To see how this looks on your location page, you can click here to see it live, or if you already have it open on a different tab, refresh your page to see the changes. Now you can begin creating additional pages to build up your location page. Images will help make your location page more engaging and give your users nice visuals of your products, employees, or building. But don't just add images for the sake of adding them. Ensure that your photos always add value. Now let's add an images page to showcase some of our restaurant's photos. I want this page to appear next to the home page, so I'm going to give it a tab position of 2. For the heading, I would like this to say Patsy's Menu. The tab name, though, I want to say Menu. To add text above your image, enter it in the top content area. You can also add text below your images by adding content here. Before uploading images, we will first take a look at how to resize them. Large resolution images look great when printed out, but on the web, they cause slower loading times. The best image resolution for the web is 72 dpi, or dots per inch. You can compress images in most photo editing programs. There are even some free compressors available online. It is also important to note the width and the height of the photo. There is no need for your images to have a width of 8,000 pixels, as users viewing your location page will likely be accessing it from smaller devices, such as a smartphone or tablet. I would recommend using a width of 1,000 pixels, which accommodates most screens. You can now begin adding images by clicking Add Images. Select the images you previously resized and then click Upload. You can add as many images as you would like to this page. They will be displayed in a gallery format, which allows your users to scroll through them. You can see you can add a caption, alt text, as well as image hover text to each of your images. Once you're finished adding that information, click Create Page. Again, we can go back to our location page, refresh it, and then see the changes that we have made. Now let's add a contact page. Again, enter in the basic information at the top. I would like the heading on this page to be Contact Us. But I just want the menu name to be Contact. Enter in your meta description. If you have a different phone number customers can call to make reservations or an after-hours service number you want to include, add it here. You can also easily add a contact form to this page. Just enter in the email address you want to receive form responses at. Once you have finished editing this page, click Create Page. Again, let's take a look at the changes we have made. Coupons are used to drive traffic and sales. Your business could benefit from offering a simple coupon on your location page that you can share on social media and review sites. They can be used to create new opportunities and encourage repeat business. You can create as many different coupons as you would like. To begin, fill in the top few fields. Add a coupon by filling in these fields. Enter in the details for your coupon here. In the image URL field, you can add an image to your coupon by entering in the URL where your image is hosted. Enter in a category for your coupon if you would like. Enter in the start date when your coupon is active. Enter in the date you would like your coupon to come off the website. And then enter in the date you would like your coupon to expire. If you would like, you can add content before or after your coupon by entering in the content in the appropriate content areas. Once you're finished editing, click Create Page. If I would like to add a video page, click the Video Page option. The video that you add to the location page will need to be hosted on a video streaming website such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. YouTube is most commonly used and is free. Enter in the desktop URL in the appropriate field. You do not need to enter in the mobile or the thumbnail URL. These will auto-generate once you have clicked Save. Enter in the video title to display above the video. If you enter a caption, it will display below the title. The duration will auto-calculate once the page has been saved and will display below the video. From here, you can choose to add more pages, or maybe your site is finished. Take a look at your finished product to see if anything else needs to be refined. You can begin directing traffic to your location page by using the auto-generated QR code in your marketing material. When users scan this with their smartphone, they will be sent to your location page. Once your page has been up and running for a while and begins generating some traffic, take a look at your analytics. The analytics can show you how many visitors the site is receiving and how many of those visitors are returning. You will also be able to see what actions different users are taking on the site, such as viewing the map or calling the store. This will give you valuable insight into the areas of your location page that are successful, as well as those that need attention.